Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. Under this video, I would like to discuss Chainlink, how it's currently performing and what we could expect during the upcoming hours and days. But for sure, I would highly appreciate if you could give me those thumbs up down below, guy, because I would be absolutely pumped if you could do so. So don't forget to do so if you're liking the content, and as well, if you could leave a comment down below, it will be highly appreciated as well. This being said, I would also lastly would like to say that if you could follow me on Twitter at ThoroughCrypto, it will be amazing and you will be for sure supporting the channel by doing so. So thank you very much already, and let's get started on what we are currently seeing at Chainlink. So what I would like to say for sure is that we have seen multiple touch points below this descending resistance, and we have seen as well multiple touch points on top of this descending support zone. Therefore, we are seeing actually a confirmed falling wedge pattern on the 4-hourly time frame getting created. Therefore, this is a major breakout once we see a breakout occur. And where will this breakout be heading towards? Well, for sure this will be heading towards the $36.49 range, and that is something I think personally is absolutely incredible if we would see this major movement towards the upside. And what you have to take into consideration is that if we see something like this occur, this will be a 48% move that you do not want to miss out on. So for sure you have to notice so far. So I would like to discuss actually just a few things during this video. I would like to start by looking at the MACD at the 4-hourly time frame. That does look absolutely marvelous. Actually, we have seen actually the MACD, well, looking very bullish right now. Well, why I think this is very bullish is because if we do experience a crossover on Monday, I personally think that we will be actually heading towards a breakout above this descending resistance on the falling wedge pattern and heading towards that $48 level as well. What I think is absolutely good to know is that on the 1-hourly time frame, this does look absolutely very good as well. We are also heading towards a crossover, so we will be holding strong on top of this descending support zone. So for sure that is something you would like to take into consideration so far on the current price action of Chainlink. And what else is absolutely good to know is that on the daily time frame, we are clearly as well noticing some weakness on the MACD. So if we are actually going to see a breakout occur above this descending resistance and as well eventually move towards the upside, increase in price action, we will for sure be seeing even more weakness on the daily time frame. And what we would like to see eventually taking place is a crossover on the daily time frame, and therefore I think this is a major trading opportunity that you do not want to miss out on outside of this pattern. So guys, so far I am very bullish on Chainlink, and I personally think that this will be a major trading opportunity as well. If we take a quick look at the RSI, what you can clearly see is that we are seeing a major bullish divergence taking place. We are seeing, well, clearly on the daily time frame that we are creating these lower low on the RSI, and as well we are seeing this higher low on the chart. Therefore, this is a bullish divergence on the RSI. And what else is absolutely important is that on daily RSI, we are clearly seeing that we are almost breaking down below the dotted line. And therefore, I do expect that major momentum towards the upside is coming during the upcoming days and as well during the upcoming hours. On the 4-hourly time frame, what you can see is that we are seeing as well this bullish divergence taking place. We have seen these lower lows getting created on the chart, but we have seen for sure this higher lows getting created on the RSI. Therefore, I'm absolutely bullish that we are going to see more movement towards the upside and as well eventually a crossover on the 4-hourly MACD. So this is absolutely looking very good to me. And what else is absolutely important is that if we head towards the 1-hourly time frame, what we are seeing is once more a bullish divergence taking place. We are seeing this lower low and as well this higher low on the RSI. So right now I must admit that this does absolutely marvelous, and that I personally think that we will be breaking out outside of this falling wedge pattern and will be heading towards the $48 level. Lastly, I would like to take a quick look at the Ema Ribbon. The Ema Ribbon is currently serving as a level of resistance on top of us, so therefore we would like to see a breakout occur above the 0.786 level at $24.47, being able to find support on top of the Ema Ribbon on the 1-hourly time frame and eventually breaking out above the descending resistance, finding support on top of it and heading towards the upside. Lastly, on the 4-hourly time frame, you can clearly see that the Ema Ribbon is perfectly aligned with this descending resistance, so therefore it will be a quite difficult level to break out above, but I'm actually quite certain that we are actually heading towards that major reversal that's taking place and as well a breakout outside of this falling wedge pattern. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, do not forget to give me a thumbs up down below, and as well guys, I would like to wish you a very pleasant day. So bye bye and have a nice day.